Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the magnesium element. Magnesium is found in soil as magnesium carbonate, but it is absorbed as magnesium ion, means Mg2 plus form. Functions of magnesium. First, magnesium is main component of chlorophyll pigment because 4 pyrrole rings surrounded by magnesium ion through coordinate and covalent bond. Second, magnesium help in joining of two subunits of ribosomes at the time of protein formation. Next, magnesium activates the enzymes of respiration, it means Krebs cycle enzymes, ETS enzymes, protein synthesis enzymes, and photosynthetic enzymes C3, C4 and C2 cycles. Next, magnesium help in cell wall formation. In cell wall, middle lamella, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall layers are present. And magnesium is the part of middle lamella which is thick because middle lamella made up of calcium magnesium pectate. So magnesium is the constituent of middle lamella of cell wall. Next function, magnesium useful in formation of oil in seeds. Okay. Now, deficiency symptoms of magnesium. Due to deficiency of magnesium ions or magnesium elements, leaves show intervenal chlorosis on large scale. It means veins of leaves show yellowish color due to deficiency of magnesium. Second effect, leaves show reddish color, yellowish color and orange spots due to formation of anthocyanin pigments. If magnesium element is deficient, then anthocyanin pigment, which is part of the chromoplast, formed in the leaves, then leaves show reddish, yellowish and orange color spots. Now, next essential element is calcium ion. Calcium is found in the form of calcite and dolomite in soil in sufficient amount, but it is absorbed from soil in the form of calcium ions Ca++. Now, functions of calcium in the plants. Calcium is the main component of middle lamella calcium pectate in cell wall. Because in cell wall it is found as calcium pectate. Next function, it is also needed during formation of mitotic spindle. During cell division, At the time of metaphase stage, spindle fiber apparatus is formed due to presence of calcium ion. Hence, it is required by meristematic and differentiating cells because meristematic cells have more tendency of cell division and differentiating cell also. Next function of calcium element in the plants is that it is essential for growth of apical meristem. Due to this, height of plant is increased. Next, calcium is also involved in synthesis of DNA and RNA. Other function, it also play important role in transportation of carbohydrates and amino acids. Now, deficiency symptoms of calcium elements. First, chlorosis occurs along the margins of young leaves due to deficiency of calcium ion. Young leaves of plants show chlorosis, it means yellowish color show on the margin area of young leaves. Next, the leaf form becomes distorted and the leaf tip bends downwards. लीफ की शेप विकृत हो जाती है और उसका टिप पार्ट नीचे की तरफ मुड़ जाता है. इस कंडीशन को हुकिंग ऑफ लीफ टिप कहा जाता है. It means this is called hooked leaf symptom due to deficiency of calcium element in the plants. Next, cell wall lose their elasticity and become rigid. As you know that cell wall of plants have elastic nature, but due to deficiency of calcium element in the middle lamella, cell wall lose their elastic nature and become rigid. Then osmoregularity of cell is disturbed. Next function, disintegration of growing apexes, root, shoot, leaf and apexilla. Other function, premature drop of flowers take place. It means फ्लावर मेच्योर होने से पहले ही फॉल डाउन हो जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट आयरन, इट मीन्स Fe. Plants absorb iron from soil in the form of ferricines Fe+3. But in metabolic activities, it is functional as ferrous ion form Fe+2. It means absorption of iron by plants ferric, but functional form of iron in metabolic activities is ferrous. Now, functions of Fe. Fe play important role in cell division respiration, and different steps of electron transport system ETS of respiration. Because in ETS, Fe help in transfer of electrons, because every cytochrome pigment has iron with variable valency. In this, ferric form convert into ferrous. और इसकी डिटेल अपन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में पढ़ेंगे. Essential role in chlorophyll synthesis. But it is not a part of chlorophyll molecules. Next function of iron. It is an important constituent of cytochrome pigment and pyridoxine and act as activator of aconitase enzyme, catalase enzyme, peroxidase enzyme and some Krebs cycle enzymes. Because without Fe, cytochrome pigment, pyridoxine, aconitase, catalase, peroxidase and other Krebs cycle enzymes are not activated. Cytochrome and pyridoxine are protein and aconitase, catalase, peroxidase are enzymes. Aconitase enzyme found in Krebs cycle which convert citrate into cis-aconitase. Further, cis-aconitase convert into isocitrate. Let's see. Citrate is a 6-carbon compound which is formed by oxaloacetic acid and acetyl coenzyme A. Oxaloacetic acid is a 4-carbon compound and acetyl coenzyme A is a 2-carbon compound and both form citrate or citric acid. It is also known as TCA. Detail study अपन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में करेंगे. अपने यहाँ पे सिर्फ आयरन की प्रेजेंस देखना चाह रहे हैं. फर्दर, सिट्रेट कन्वर्ट इनटू सिस एकोनिटेज थ्रू एकोनिटेज एंजाइम with the presence of Fe and water molecule release out. Next, cis aconitase, which is 6-carbon, convert into isocitrate, presence of aconitase and Fe, and water molecules is added. It means Fe is essential for activation of aconitase enzyme, which is the enzyme of Krebs cycle. It means respiration. Catalase and peroxidase are the enzyme of C2 cycle or photorespiration. It means photosynthetic enzymes. Next, Fe is found as fixed protein which is known as phytoferritin in leaves, and in the leaves and in the chromatin network of nucleus. Phytoferritin, Fe bind with protein part and form phytoferritin part. Now, deficiency symptoms. Due to deficiency of iron, young leaves show extensive chlorosis and may become white or yellow white. Extensive chlorosis means young leaves become totally yellow white or white. Cell division activity may be stopped due to deficiency of iron. Next, derailment or irregular of photosynthesis, respiration and protein synthesis process. It means photosynthesis, respiration and protein synthesis reactions of plant body become irregular due to deficiency of iron. Plant growth becomes slow. So these are deficiency symptoms of iron in the plant body. Now, next element is boron. Boron is absorbed from soil in the form of borate ions BO3 3- or B4O7 2-. It reacts with calcium present in soil to form calcium borate, which cannot be absorbed by roots. Because of this, availability of boron is low in calcium-rich soils where calcium ions are present. Then boron is bound with calcium and calcium borate formed. So this type of soil have less boron because free form of boron is not available and plant cannot absorb calcium borate form. Now, functions of boron. It plays important role in translocation of sugars or carbohydrates. This is called phloem conduction. Translocation means leads from glucose, sucrose form and other carbohydrate forms, which is transferred from whole plant body by phloem part. This is known as phloem conduction. So, translocation of sugars occurs through boron. Second, it is essential in pollen tube formation. Next, it is functioning of cell membrane and cell division process. Now, deficiency symptoms of boron. Due to deficiency of boron, dark green colored thickening in the leaves. It means the leaves become thick and dark green in color due to deficiency of boron. Second, storage tissue and fleshy tissue become disorganized in the plant body. Next, number of flowers is reduced. It means sexual phase of plant body is disturbed and number of flowers is less and flowers become sterile due to effect on pollen germination. Because boron is helpful in pollen germination and due to deficiency of boron, flowers become sterile. Now, next element, manganese, Mn. It is found in soil normally in the form of manganese dioxide MnO2, but plant absorb it in the form of Mn2 plus form. Now, function of manganese. It acts as activator of several enzymes in respiration, nitrogen metabolism and photosynthesis. It is essential for O2 evolution and photolysis of water in light reaction. Two reaction, light reaction and dark reaction, is the part of photophosphorylation for ATP synthesis in the plant. Then water molecule split and convert into oxygen and electrons. Let's see. In the light reaction, water molecule, due to presence of chlorophyll, manganese and chloride ions convert into 2H plus 2 electron and half O2 molecule. Means oxygen is evolved. So it is known as photolysis of water molecule due to presence of manganese and chloride ions. It plays important role in development of chloroplast. Now, deficiency symptoms of manganese. Due to deficiency of manganese, young and old leaves show chlorosis, means both leaves of plant become yellowish color, and limited development of roots due to deficiency of manganese. And its deficiency causes specific plants disease. For example, mass spot of pea, pod of pea, leaf of pea show spots. This is known as mass spot disease of pea plant due to deficiency of manganese. Grey speck of oats, ओट प्लांट के अंदर ग्रे कलर के स्पेक्स बन जाते हैं मैग्नीज की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से. नाउ नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट जिंक जेडन. दिस एलिमेंट इज एब्जॉर्ब फ्रॉम सॉइल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जिंक आयंस जेडन प्लस प्लस. नाउ फंक्शंस ऑफ जिंक. It play important role in the biosynthesis of growth hormone auxin, indole acetic acid. 5 hormones are present in plant body: auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, ethylene. But 4 hormones are known as growth hormone and abscisic acid is known as growth inhibitor hormone. Auxin is the growth hormone and it is the precursor of tryptophan amino acid, indole acetic acid, indole ring present in the nucleic acid. So zinc is essential for synthesis of auxin hormone in the plants. It is control the absorption of phosphorus and it is component of carboxylase enzyme which add the CO2 or fix the CO2 molecule in photosynthesis, like Rubisco enzyme, PFKase enzyme. Now deficiency of zinc element. First, deficiency of zinc causes mottle leaf disease. Mottle leaf means little leaf, छोटी छोटी हो जाती है लीफ की साइज. Next, discolorized necrotic spots appear on leaves. Necrotic means death of tissues. लीव्स का कलर है वो चेंज हो जाता है. लीफ की सरफेस पे स्पॉट बन जाती है टिश्यू डैमेज होने की वजह से। फ्लोएम टिश्यू शो malformation, it means vascular tissue phloem is poorly formed. Next, internode growth is reduced, then height of plant is short. Now next element, molybdenum MO. This element is absorbed in the form of molybdenum oxide MO2. Function. This is required for nitrogen fixation in leguminous plant. So molybdenum ions are part of enzyme nitrogenase and nitrate reductase which are involved in nitrogen fixation, because nitrogenase enzyme is formed due to presence of molybdenum ion. So molybdenum is essential in the nitrogen fixation. In this, atmosphere nitrogen convert into ammonium nitrite, further nitrate form, and nitrate form is the functional form for the plants and absorbable form. Now deficiency symptoms of molybdenum. Molybdenum deficiency caused whiptail disease in cauliflower, mottling of lower leaf छोटी हो जाती है, chlorosis of leaves and poor flower setting. Now next element, chlorine. Chlorine is absorbed from soil in the form of chloride ions Cl-. Now function of chlorine. This element is not component of any biochemical substance and it is useful in water splitting reaction of photosynthesis. It means photolysis of water as to convert into electron H plus and oxygen, because manganese and chlorine both are involved in photolysis of water of photosynthesis process and in balancing anion cation concentration in the cells. Balancing of sodium and potassium ions on the cell membrane, because on the cell membrane sodium potassium pump run along this chloride channel which also occurs. Now deficiency symptoms. Due to deficiency of chlorine, leaves show variegated chlorosis followed by necrosis. It means लीफ है वो ब्राउनिश कलर की ब्लैकिश कलर की हो जाती है और पूरी लीफ के अंदर होल्स बन जाते हैं टिश्यू डैमेज होने की वजह से. फ्रूट फॉर्मेशन इज रिड्यूस्ड एंड साइज ऑफ फ्रूट इज ऑल्सो रिड्यूस. फ्रूट्स बनेंगे, नंबर्स कम होगी और जो फ्रूट बनेंगे उनकी साइज बहुत ही कम होगी. नाउ लास्ट एसेंशियल एलिमेंट इज निकल Ni. Dalton scientists in 1988 included nickel as essential element. It is found in soil in sufficient amount and it is absorbed in the form of nickel ions. Nickel is neither a component of any biochemical compound nor its function and deficiency are properly understood. So, one function of nickel is known. It is an essential part of urease enzyme. Urease enzyme is required to split urea in plant's body to obtain nitrogen. Now deficiency symptom: slow nitrogen metabolism in plants because it is essential in nitrogen metabolism. Now, role and deficiency symptoms of essential elements are completed. Some other points, some special points: deficiency symptoms in terminal buds by calcium and boron deficiency. Next point: deficiency symptoms first appear in young leaves due to deficiency of immobile elements, for example copper, sulfur, ferrous and manganese. Copper, sulfur, ferrous and manganese are called as immobile because these are fixed in cell protoplasm, not movable. And due to deficiency of copper, sulfur, ferrous and manganese, symptoms appear firstly in young leaves. Next point: deficiency symptoms first appear in old leaves due to deficiency of mobile elements, for example nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, zinc and molybdenum, because NPK, Mg, Zn and Mo are called as mobile elements. These are moved from one cell to next cell, and due to deficiency of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, zinc and molybdenum, deficiency symptoms firstly appear in old leaves and leaves become yellowish color. Some other extra points: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, it means NPK, are called critical elements because they are required by plants in high dosage. It means greater demand by plants. To fulfill this great demand, soil mostly faces a shortage of such elements. NPK क्रिटिकल एलिमेंट्स क्यों है? क्योंकि प्लांट्स को इनकी नीड ज़्यादा होती है और इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट डेली होने की वजह से सोइल हमेशा प्रॉब्लम फेस करती है क्योंकि इनकी एबिडेंसी कम हो जाती है सोइल के अंदर. सो फार्मर्स क्या करते हैं? एनपीके की फ्रिक्वेंटली सप्लाई करने के लिए एनपीके फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करते हैं, लाइक नाइट्रोजन सोर्स, यूरिया. नेक्स्ट, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फर आर कॉल्ड protoplasmic elements because they are main constituent of organic part of protoplasm. Next, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are called framework elements because they are main constituent of proteins, carbohydrate and fats because these biomolecules are made up of CHO. Now we are going to talk about the mechanism of absorption of mineral salts. Minerals are absorbed from soil in the form of ions by zone of meristematic, it means cell division, and zone of cell elongation of the root. Absorption of minerals take place by two processes: passive absorption and active absorption. Normally, the minerals are absorbed by active absorption and energy is used in this process. Firstly, we will talk about the passive absorption. According to this theory, mineral elements enter the cell from the soil solution along their electrochemical potential gradient, that is from their higher concentration to the place of their lower concentration. It means सोइल सॉल्यूशन के अंदर मिनरल्स की कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है, प्लांट बॉडी के अंदर मिनरल्स की कंसंट्रेशन कम है, देन इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट बनेगा, कुछ मिनरल्स पे चार्ज भी तो है और केमिकल कंसंट्रेशन बनेगी. सो हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू लो कंसंट्रेशन की तरफ मिनरल एलिमेंट्स का मूवमेंट होगा एंड विदाउट एनी एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ द सेल, और रूट सेल को एटीपी खर्च नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. 3 theories have been put forwarded in support of passive absorption of minerals. First, mass flow hypothesis. Second, ion exchange theory. And third, Donan equilibrium theory. Firstly, we will talk about the mass flow hypothesis. According to this theory, under the influence of transpiration pull, mineral ions are also absorbed along with the stream of water. Okay, so mass flow, also called as bulk flow, is the unidirectional movement of molecules or ions through the route along with stream of water due to the diffusion pressure deficient or suction force created by transpiration pull. Then increase in rate of transpiration results into increase in rate of passive absorption. So the ions absorption occurs with flow of water under the influence of transpiration pull. Now, second theory, ion exchange theory. Exchange of cations and anions in between the external solution, it means soil solution, and the surface of root is called ion exchange. soil solution and root की surface के ऊपर केटाइन एंड एनाइन का एक्सचेंज होगा. केटाइन केटाइन के थ्रू एक्सचेंज होगा, एनाइन एनाइन के थ्रू एक्सचेंज होगा. इट मीन्स पॉजिटिव चार्ज एक्सचेंज विद द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज एक्सचेंज विद द नेगेटिव चार्ज. So exchange of cations and anions take place by ions of similar charge. For example, potassium of the external solution or soil solution can exchange with H plus when potassium enter into root, then H plus move from root to soil. Similarly, the anion can also exchange with free hydroxyl ions, it means OH minus. It is known as ion exchange theory. Next, Donan equilibrium theory. This theory was proposed by Donan scientist in 1927. According to this theory, there are some fixed ions in the cell which cannot pass out of the cell membrane. So these are called stable ions, whereas both anions and cations can enter the membrane from outside. Okay, so normally there is an equilibrium of ions between external solution and internal solution of root. So this theory assumes that a cell has a concentration of fixed ions to which its membrane is impermeable, then equal number of anions and cations from the external solution will diffuse across the membrane till it reaches to the state of equilibrium. So, this theory explains that the accumulation of ions against the concentration gradient without ATP molecules